Hello everyone, something a little different this evening. A 2007 Road King Classic. It was filthy. But the reason for this video, I want to show you how we're cleaning up this back white wall. Even though we brushed it real well with some cleaners a couple times, it was neglected, so it's pretty stained. So I'm going to show you using Citrol, available on Amazon. I'm going to clean these up. Let's set up the camera. Citrol smells like oranges, cleans like crazy. Removes asphalt, wax, grease, heavy oil, graffiti, ink, oil, tree sap, tar, and more. So I shook this up a little bit, sprayed directly on stain or mess, and then rinse off with water. So it might be a good idea to, after I clean these white walls, we'll rinse them off. But I'm taking it and just spraying it on a microfiber towel here. And I don't know if it was the cleaners or residue that he used or people have used on the past to clean this. And I say it's working pretty darn well. It might work better to have some kind of brush to agitate it, but I just don't want to be too aggressive. There, that works real good if I just kind of flatten the hand. There's a spot here. So kind of just put some on there. Be careful with this stuff, guys. Please wear nitrile gloves whenever you're working with any chemicals, but especially this stuff. It is strong and nasty. And that is working really well. And I think, you know, even though this is an older bike, lots of miles, lots of wear, this is one of the things he was hoping to get the bike kind of set itself off and looking really sharp. It's having these white walls cleaned up. I'm going to polish the painted surfaces and then put on a 1-year ceramic coating to just dress it up. He didn't want to expend the money on the higher price coating, which is fine on a newer bike, but that's doing incredible. That worked pretty good too, just spraying white right on the white wall. Let's see if it works just to kind of let it sit for a couple seconds. Yeah, that's working good. Working very nice. Hopefully this video helped you guys out a little bit. If you're looking for something to brighten up your white walls, leave in the comments below if you ever try it, or maybe something that you have found that works really well. All right, guys, take care. All right, so there we see the front and rear. This side was much worse, but darn, that's looking really good. I am going to use a light mist of water just to rinse these off to try to get any chemical residue off. I think he's going to be really happy.